and welcome back to Healthy Living. The Government of Guam Worksite Wellness Program event takes place this Friday, January 15 from 10 to 5 p.m. at the Micronesia Mall Center Court. Joining me now is Department of Public Health and Social Services representatives Vivian Pareja, Chris Serla, and Pat Lucius. So can you guys explain what exactly is the Worksite Wellness Program?
Okay, so the Worksite Wellness program is actually through an executive order 2012-07, and this program allows government employees to take 1 hour 3 times a week to do their Worksite Wellness or to do their physical activity. And it can go outside beyond the work hours, before 8, after 5, in the weekends, whether it be a 5K or doing some kind of other exercise. And the whole reason for this is that we're seeing high cases of heart disease, cancer, stroke, diabetes, and we're seeing a lot of overweight and obese rates, not only among our adult population but also at with our youth. So this Worksite Wellness program is really supposed to address our adult population in the workforce, so that we build a healthy workforce, and hopefully that actually reaches out to the rest of the family as well in the community.
And this is actually something I'm really envious of. So Government of Guam employees can actually take off 3 hours of work per week and just go and exercise, and they're still getting paid for it.
Yes, so the idea is really to get our employees to get into a healthier lifestyle.
There was a survey done on the government of Guam workers, and we asked them what was the number one barrier for being physically active, and one of it was, well, there just wasn't enough time. So this was the kind of the solution to it. Well, if you were given that ability to work out, or given that time, would you be able to work out and so forth like that? So that's where it came from.
Well, my mom is actually an employee of the Government of Guam. She works at the university, and sometimes she'll tell me about Zumba events or Tahitian events. Are these part of the Worksite Wellness Program?
Yes, absolutely. We have a lot of partners. We work very closely with Synergy and Paradise Fitness, and some of the classes that they have in their organizations in their buildings. They work with us and they bring them to some of our health coaches areas. So every Monday and Wednesday we can get body combats here at Public Health for any of the Worksite Wellness participants.
Okay, so I understand that the Recommitment event is happening this Friday. So can you tell me what exactly is this event all about?
So this event is more of a recommitment, because we have already so many employees involved with the Worksite Wellness program. Just to give you a little background on the data, in about 2013 we had about maybe over 200 employees that were involved, and in 2014 we saw that number jump up to about over 1,200 employees, and this year we're actually in 2015 we saw our numbers jump up about 23%. So the work that we're doing with the Worksite Wellness program is really advocating to get our government employees into a healthier lifestyle. Just to add on to what Chris was saying, when that survey came out, we had about 48% of our government employees that had a sedentary work behavior, where they're sitting in front of their computers most of the days of the weekend. So we're trying to make a change.
Yeah, this event, it happens every year at the beginning of the year as a sort of way to kind of leverage the New Year's recommitment people, the people who want to make an active lifestyle part of their 2016. So we want to support that idea with this event.
And so from 10 to 2 we will have health screening, so we'll check your blood sugar, cholesterol, body mass index, and in the afternoon Viv will tell us about what we're doing with the exercises.
Yes, in the afternoon, we will, after the health screening, we'll have from 2:30 to 3 o'clock, we'll have the brief program and the commitment oath. And from 3 o'clock to 4:30, we'll have the physical fitness marathons such as Zumba, body combat, and mixed fit.
Okay, so I know you kind of touched on this earlier in the interview, but why is this Worksite program and also the recommitment ceremony so important for not only Government of Guam employees, but just people in the community in general?
Yeah.
Based on the data of what we've seen with our BRFSS, which actually does a survey of the whole island of Guam, we're seeing that many of our community members are getting sick at an earlier age. And so one of the reasons for this Worksite Wellness is really to try to alleviate that burden And so that's what this does, is really give the opportunity for our government employees. Not only government employees, many of our private sectors have reached out to us. The Hotel and Restaurant Association and many other private companies have jumped on board or have approached us on how they can get their Worksite Wellness program going. So we're seeing progress even in the private and NGO communities.
Okay, well, say someone is unable to attend this Friday's event, but they still want to learn more about the Worksite Wellness program or find out more about it. Where can they go for more information?
They can visit our Facebook page at Live Healthy Guam.
Live Healthy Guam. They can also, if they're a government of Guam employee, they can contact their 8 local health coach. And if they needed a directory on that, they can call our office at 735-7334.
All right, well, thank you so much. Is there anything else you guys would like to add?
Well, we just want to say Live Healthy Guam, and I can,
You
can,
can,
and together we can.
All right, well, thank you so much. Stay tuned. Coming up next, we'll be speaking with the Shriners Clinic Outreach, Dr. Craig Ono. Stay tuned. We'll be back after the break.
Okay.